Like this, you know. Line me a line up. Generous Barber. Early morning.
Check it out now, man.
Father that, you know.
Yeah, man, for real.
Enough respect.
Remember.
1 hour. Early morning barber. Can't go to the barber shop. Which vendetta? No time. We say unruly cool it. I don't fool it. Fool it, got school it.
Unruly bad for you.
Unruly bad. No back, no grab. You know, say we there. We get a line up. They say, generous in a barber. Early morning. Girl calling, no stalling. Whoa. Man. I saw everything come to life.
Yeah, man.
Father.
It.
It's real.
See it, then.
It's our again, Father?
It's a generator.
Generator.
But it's an inverter generator. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Mad machine, mad mechanics, do mad things.
You know, we invent everything.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Crazily.
Crazily. We have it, you know? That's the blessings of Father God give you knowledge. You know? You have to do it, man. I keep on over there, that's the thing, realist. You know?
Yeah, man.
Right, man. 2017.
Mad scientist. Mad
Scientist. Lazy now. You know, lazy now. Big up on yourself. No, love and respect.
Yeah, man. Send it back around and something. Yeah, man. See it there? This is about a 30-year-old generator. E150 Honda. 1-cylinder engine. Yeah? We have everything in the parts here. We put it back together.
Right. Crazy mechanic. We have it. We bring it back to life. Right now, you should have seen the amount of. What is something here, muck? Muck we get out of the engine.
Yeah.
Muck. The amount of muck we get out of it is crazy.
Seasons and other seasons and seas. Motor. All re-clean and wire up back by name.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The mad machine.
Yeah, man.
Mad mechanic. Do mad things.
We invent everything. That's why Jaja bless you, you know.
Yeah, man. Mad scientist, you know. Real.
We bring everything back to life.
Real life.
Check it out. Classic Nick. Classic TV. Big up on yourself. Like and subscribe.
Alright.
Cheers.
Classically.
Classically. Generous?
It's cool.